All right, so now we're going to do an example, second example. And so in this case, they give us 2 points, right? And so the first thing they want us to do is to apply the point-slope formula to this. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we got to find the slope, right? So we can't write it in point-slope form unless we have the slope. So let's calculate the slope. So again, we're going to use the difference in the y's over the difference of the x's. So let's do -6 minus 2, and then we'll do 4 minus -1. And so that's going to give us -8 over what? 5, right? So this is 4 minus a -1, which is the same as 4 plus 1. So then we get -8/5. And so now all we need to do is use one of the points. We don't need both points. So let's use this point for writing in point-slope form. Okay? So we use -1, 2. So that's going to be what? It's going to be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And so now we're just going to fill in what we know. So this will be y minus 2 is equal to -8/5 times x minus a -1. So we'll make that a +1. And now we have it in point-slope form. Now let's write this in slope-intercept form. Okay? So at this point, what are we going to do? Well, now we're going to solve for y and simplify everything on one side of the equal sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the -8/5. So I'm going to get y minus 2 equals -8/5 x minus -8/5. Oops. Minus 8/5. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So I get y equals -8/5 x. Now here I'm going to write this as what? -8/5 plus 2, but 2, I want to write this as a fraction, so I'm going to use fifths. So this will be 10/5. And so if I add these together, oops, not 10 halves, 10/5. And so now if I add these together, I get what? -8 plus 10, which is 2. So I get 2/5. So this is going to become plus 2/5. And so now I'm done. Now I've got it in slope-intercept form. So here was point-slope form and y-intercept form. All right. Have a great day.